Today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make a ton of money with a very small YouTube channel. See, the thing most people don't know is that there are many very small channels out there that are making 10 times the amount of money that some big channels are making, and it's all about how you monetize your channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys two different ways you can monetize your channel to make a ton of money with just a very small following. What is going on YouTube? Andrew Monomer back with another video for you guys, and as I said before, in today's video I'm going to show you guys two ways to be able to monetize your channel even if it's really small. Now I personally have, as you can see here, 1,816 subscribers. However, while that is a pretty tiny amount, I have made about $10,000 from my YouTube channel over the span of the past couple months, and zero of that was from ad revenue. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the two different things I did to be able to make that amount of money. And the thing is, if you monetize your channel correctly, I know for a fact there's channels out there with 10,000 subscribers that haven't made as much as me because I'm properly monetizing, and that's what I'm going to teach you guys to do. So if you guys haven't already and you guys want to learn how to make money online, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button because it does help the channel out. So before we get to it, I do want to announce I have released my YouTube passive income course. Now for the first 20 students, this course is usually $297, but I'm doing a really good deal. For the first 20 students, it is only $47. So this is going to go really quick. So if you guys are interested in learning how I've made so much money from simple YouTube videos, you'll see some of the stuff you learn: how to find high converting offers, how to create your own, how I rank my videos, how to build a YouTube following quick, how to find viral videos to post, and stuff of that nature. So you can see here I made $2,000 from this YouTube video, $100 from this one, $400 from this one, $2,935 from that one. So I show you guys exactly how I was able to make that amount of money by just making simple YouTube videos. So if you guys do want access and you want it for cheap, I would definitely head over there right now. It will be the first link in the description, and you can get inside and start learning how to build a YouTube business for only $47. So once I get 20 people in, I am going to raise the price. I'm either going to raise it to $197, which would still be a $100 discount, or I may raise it to the full price of $297. I'm still kind of figuring that out, but if I were you guys, I would definitely hop on now while it's only $47, because that is a much better price. And the stuff you're getting inside, you know, one video, for example, this one video I made right here, I made nearly $2,000 from it. So even if this course costed $2,000, if you learned how to make one video like the one I did, you'd make all your money back with just one video. So it's gonna be a huge ROI for those of you that do decide to join the course. So if you guys are interested, be sure to hit that link in the description so you guys can get early access and get it for a very good price. Now without further ado, let's hop on to the actual video. And the two ways to be able to monetize your channel correctly that I have used are, first, affiliate marketing, and second, creating your own products. So I myself have been an affiliate for multiple companies, as I showed before. I will refresh just to show this is real. This is all from one YouTube video, okay? Nearly $2,000, and I still make about $200 every single month from this one YouTube video, okay? So all you need to do is find an offer, an affiliate offer, and then make a video about the affiliate offer. It's really that simple. Now in the course I do dive deeper how to find affiliate offers, how to rank videos, what type of videos to make, but in the simple scheme of things, you're really just finding an affiliate offer and making a video around that offer. It's pretty simple, and you can make as many videos as you want. I could go and make, you know, 3 more videos about this and probably make a good amount of money with it. Will I do that at some point? Probably, but it's not my main focus right now. I'm just enjoying what I'm getting from it right now. So affiliate marketing is a great way to monetize your YouTube channel with a small following, because, you know, with a small following, you're not going to be able to put ads on your videos, and ads don't even give you that much money, okay? I know, I'll actually go ahead and search him. There was a guy, he had 6,000 subscribers. Let me look him up real quick. it was Buildapreneur, if that comes up. Okay, yeah. I think he has 6,479 subscribers. Now, back when he had 2,000 subscribers, he released a video back when Bitcoin was really popular, and the video was just called how to invest in Bitcoin or something. And that video ended up going viral, and he only had 2,000 subscribers. And from that one video, he made $35,000 because he had an affiliate link in his description to a platform where you could invest in Bitcoin. It was Coinbase. And he got a commission every time somebody signed up. So it's pretty much that simple, you know. He found Coinbase and he thought, okay, I could make some money by getting people to here. Now, how can I get people to here? Well, let me just make a video called how to invest in Bitcoin. And lucky for him, the YouTube algorithm worked in his favor because he was able to correctly rank and use different strategies, you know, to do that. So that's one of the easiest ways. Another way, as you can see here, I created my own products here. This video, I made $100 just by one video. This one I made $400 just from one video. And these were simple products. I'll actually go ahead and show you. This one was just a 9-minute video. I sold for $25. And I just made a video, and I said in the video at some point, I said, hey, if you guys want to learn, you know, whatever, the ultimate guide to make $75 per day online, it's on sale for $25 if you guys want to go check it out. Ended up getting $400 just from that one video, and that video only got like 500 views. And so you really don't need a ton of views and a ton of subscribers to make a good amount of money, you know. Like this thing right here, this video I think got around 700 views and it made me $100. It's pretty simple stuff. Anybody can get a couple hundred views, and as long as you're monetizing right, you know, have affiliate links in your description, mention affiliate products in your video, create your own products and mention them in your video, you guys are going to be able to make a killing on YouTube, even if your subscriber base is small. So I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys do want to get access to YouTube passive income while it was still extremely cheap right now, be sure to go ahead and hit that link in the description, and you can enroll in the course for only $47. And I can't wait to see you guys inside the course, those of you that do decide to join. And I'll see you guys with another video tomorrow.